So we're checking out Pixar Pier to start off with. It's kind of sad seeing all the water gone. No World of Color today. And the fog is still not gone away, but there's our hotel right there. Does I want frozen treats today?
That would be me. I'm frozen, so no.
There's a lot going on in this area. Oh, there's a single rider's line. We can do that later. I'm impressed with the amount of single rider options they have at this park. All kinds of stuff they're going through here. It's gonna be so cold!
Yeah.
What'd you think, babe?
Very intense. Not expecting that.
I think she's a little nervous to do it again.
Yep.
But I will definitely be doing that again.
I'll do it with you again.
That might be top 5.
My ears are ringing.
That might be top 5 Disney coasters of all time. Jessica has been so excited for this ride. She's been talking about it like the entire time of the trip, doing the Ferris wheel. You excited to do your Ferris wheel finally?
Why do you want me to be nervous? I don't know. You can just see everything.
Probably will. Just now realizing how tall the Ferris wheel actually is.
How much these actually are.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, come on in. Come over here and watch the stuff.
Holiness.
Oh my gosh.
I hope you're ready for that.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine. It's our first time. That was me like 2 years ago.
This is clearly your first time. One more time.
Now I'm ready.
Now you're ready for it.
I can keep my eyes open.
Jessica almost cried a little bit on that one.
Yeah.
She,
The first time?
Yeah. I thought you...
I don't think it swung as much the second go round.
No, it did. It slowed down a little bit.
Probably
Yes, we had somebody behind us, not in our car, but the one behind us that got real sick.
I felt so bad for her.
It was really, it was kind of embarrassing probably for her.
Let me hear you make it count. Give yourselves a giant round of applause. That was beautiful. I do not not dismiss you two. Where do you think you're going, Grandma Betty? Grandma Betty, where are you going? You are not dismissed yet. Come back over here. Come over here, J. Crew Cat Doll. Folks, I'm so proud of each and every one of you. I need you to do one more solid. It's oath taking time, so everybody raise your right hand up. Everybody raise it up high. Raise it up proud. And now repeat after me nice and loud. I. State your name.
State your name.
Seriously? Not that funny, Grandma. Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
To be a good and faithful toy. And my mission. Above all. Is to have fun. Fun. Till Barbie takes our T-bird away. Give yourselves another giant round of applause. That's and for my two crews are here, let me get another hoorah! All right, boys, time to pack it on in. And you are not dismissed yet. Stop trying to sneak away. Not yet. Moving on out, boys. Well done. And out. Move it. Well done, soldier. Fantastic work. Wait for it, Grandma. Wait for it. Get back over here. Dismissed. All right, now y'all can go. See you later, everybody. Hey, boys, wait for me.
To take a lunch break now. We're going back to Cars Land for Cozy Cone, but we're taking 1 second here to check out all the sights of Pixar Pier because it looks beautiful. There's a lot going on in this land. Jessica's got her ears on. It must be serious time now.
And you're gonna take my picture.
I am definitely taking a picture. We gotta Instagram that joint. So we decided to finally come over here again now that they decided to start working most of the rides again. It was shut down inexplicably. Use your words, Kyle. So we're gonna go ride the silly Symphony Swings. Maybe Toy Story Midway Mania, see if we can be good at that one. And then we gotta do.
I'm just joking to them.
I was trying to let you like handle your business over there. But if you're gonna like come show everybody that you were choking, then
Let's come turn around so we can at least see the good
look at that cozy fire though.
Yeah.
Okay, apparently she wants y'all to see all this in the background. So yes,
It's just the absolute best.
it's probably one of our favorites late evening and you know, just parks in general, because this is a great section of the park right here. And there's our room. We still don't need to go to it because we're not tired yet.
I know. How amazing is that we can see our room? So like if we needed to go back, it's no big deal.
Yep, it's really easy.
We don't need to.
All right, let's go ride the swings.
I'm so excited.
Stop hurting yourself, please, in line. Can't take you anywhere. You banged your elbow on that. Poor baby. I feel like we're gonna bang into each other.
I'm actually excited.
Are you scared?
Smidge.
But I'm on the outside. And so I'm gonna go really far out there.
Enjoy!
Yeah! How you doing? Oh, my goodness. Any more pitches?
No, the 45 I have are probably.
You really love that view, don't you? Just think if the water was out.